Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing a method that you can use to start making money all from the comfort of home. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing a method that you can use to start earning money from home. Now, I know that sounds a little too good to be true, but this is a method that many people are already using. And I'm going to be showing you how they're doing that in this video. But before I go any further, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. And if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Because that's what this channel is all about. Sharing different methods when it comes to making money so that you guys don't have to be living paycheck to paycheck or working at a job that you really don't like. Now, the method that I wanted to share with you guys is called affiliate marketing. Now, maybe some of you probably already heard about this before, or some of you who haven't heard about it, I'm going to explain quickly what it is. So, affiliate marketing is where you're promoting somebody else's products online, and you have a specific link that's coded to you. So whenever somebody clicks on your link and buys that product that you're promoting, then that's when you make a commission. So the concept of how affiliate marketing works is pretty simple, but there's a lot more that goes into it if you're looking to create a successful business with affiliate marketing. So there's a few things that you're going to need in order to get started with affiliate marketing. And the first one is you have to pick a niche. So you should have a specific category that you're going to be focusing on. And it can be any niche that you want. It can be the health and fitness niche. It can be the relationship niche, the make money online niche. Any of these niches are fine. It can be any of these other ones. Maybe it can be the tech and gadget niche. But the point that I'm trying to make is that whatever niche that you pick, just make sure that it's one that you're truly passionate about, because you're going to be creating content that's focusing on this niche. Whether you're looking to build a six-figure business with affiliate marketing, or if you're just looking to earn a couple $100 extra a month, you should be passionate about the niche that you're picking. Because if you're not, then most likely you're going to end up getting bored and you're going to quit. So I recommend that you guys pick something that you can see yourself doing for the long term. So the next thing that you need is to pick a program. So you need to sign up with an affiliate program, and there's a bunch of affiliate programs out there. I mean, the two most common ones that I see people using all the time is Amazon Associates and ClickBank. Now, these two are free to sign up with, and there's a couple other ones that are free to sign up with. But if you guys want my personal recommendation for an affiliate program that teaches you how to build a successful online business, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. Okay, so the next thing that you're going to need to do once you figure out which affiliate program you're going to go with is you need to pick a product. So this is the part where you're going to start earning money from. This product is what you're going to be promoting to people in order to start earning money. Now, when it comes to picking a product, your product should be related to the niche that you're in, and it should also be addressing a problem that people in your niche are having. So you should be providing a solution to the people that are having a problem in your niche. So for example, if you're in the weight loss niche, you should be promoting this something that's related to weight loss. If you're in the video game niche, you should be promoting something that's related to video games. Now, in order for people to buy the product that you're promoting, you're going to have to create content. And that's the next step that I want to talk about. So you should be creating content that is focusing on the niche that you're in, and it's also delivering value. Because if you just take the affiliate link for the product that you're promoting and you just paste it everywhere, you're not going to get a lot of results this way. So that's why it's important to create value based on the niche that you're in. Because over time, when you keep on creating content, you're going to start to build up an audience. And when you're delivering value in the content that you're creating to the audience, rather than just spamming your product link, you're going to see a lot more results this way. So let me talk a little bit more about creating valuable content. Now, this can have a different meaning depending on what niche that you're in. So value for one person is not going to be the same as value for another person in another niche. I hope that makes sense. So for example, if you're in the weight loss niche, creating valuable content can be YouTube videos that you upload where you're showing people exercises that they can use to help them lose weight. But if you're somewhere in maybe the entertainment niche, entertainment value can be just simply entertaining people, just making them laugh, making them smile. So you have to figure out what's valuable to the people in your niche. And a good way to do that is by addressing a problem that the people in your niche are having and then offering a solution to that problem. Now, when you do this on a consistent basis, you're going to start to build up an audience over time. And the reason why is because you're addressing a problem that they're having. Okay, so the next step is that you need to build an email list where you're going to be focusing on the niche that you're in. So this is where you're going to make the majority of your sales from. Now, most people think that email marketing doesn't work, but it actually does, because this is a great way that you can stay in communication with the people who are on your email list. Whenever people sign up to be on your email list, you can just simply send them an email whenever you put out new content to let them know that, hey, I got this new content out there. And that's a good way that you can build up trust with your audience. And you can also send them emails whenever you have a product that you're promoting. And if you're delivering value in your emails, then people on your list are going to respond to that. Now this is where we start to get into email marketing. And I'm not going to go into detail about that in this video, but I've done other videos in the past where I go in depth about email marketing. And I'll leave a link in the cards so you guys can check it out if you're interested in learning more about email marketing. Now, if you guys want recommendations when it comes to email software services which allow you to create an email list, I'll leave links in the description below if you want to check them out. Now, some of these have a free trial service, but after that free trial, you are going to have to pay a monthly fee to continue to use that service. But if you're serious about creating an online business that's going to make you money, there are going to be some expenses. Just like in any business, it takes money to make money. Now, once you reach this step right here, the next thing that you need to do is you need to sell to your audience. Because you're going to get a lot more results if you're selling to people who already know you, who trust you, and who like you, rather than just spamming your affiliate link to people out there on the internet who have no clue who you are. Now, the way that you build up your audience is by creating content on a consistent basis, which is delivering value. Because people who are consuming your content and they're getting value from it, they're more likely to buy the products that you're promoting to them. Because the truth of the matter is that people buy from people who they like, who they know, and who they trust. Now, the crazy part about all of this is that anybody can do it. But the real question is, are you willing to do it? Are you willing to put in the time and effort that it takes to create a successful business that can change your financial situation? Now, most people say they want success, they want to change their life, but if you look at their habits and their actions, it shows otherwise. Now, I hope you guys don't just watch this video and just let the information that I shared with you just go in one ear and out the other. I really hope that you guys take this knowledge that I shared with you and actually apply it. Because this information can change your life if you apply it. I remember before I got started with affiliate marketing, I would watch videos just like this and I would just say, oh, that's cool. And then I would just go and play video games. I wouldn't take the knowledge that I learned and actually apply it until I finally made a decision to take action. You see, having knowledge doesn't mean anything if you don't actually apply it. So I hope you guys take action and make a decision to change your life. So before I end this video, I just wanted to share an ebook about affiliate marketing if you guys want a little bit more information about it, called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for that down below. So what this ebook does is it helps you decide what niche to promote and also the different platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate offers on. So I hope you guys got some value from this video. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. And like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want my #1 recommendation when it comes to making a full-time income using affiliate marketing, you can check out the link in the top of the description to learn more. So that's basically it. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.